Holy crap!
You forgot thunderstorm. We have to do calls in natural disasters now. It's an earthquake. Hi, Thorn. How's it going? Collapse.
That was a big one.
It's not the first time.
It was the
I
first
could.
time it picked up that loud over your mic.
Let me. Yeah. Oh my god. This is gonna be fun. This is gonna be fun.
No,
We need to
that
do
was
it during.
awesome.
We need to do it during a tornado now.
Good thing that, well, maybe it's a good thing neither of us are in the tornado alley.
Yeah. Oh, I heard a car screech. Oh god. Did he survive that one? Oh,
You know I gotta upload this to YouTube now.
you have to. You recording live during a lightning storm.
Like, obviously without the lines, but
Right. This is great. Oh, there it goes again.
ugh.
All right. You
Insert
just
Bill
said
O'Reilly reference.
Bill O'Reilly. Hi, Thunder. Oh god. We should have done this with the Pokemon one.
Yeah.
Pikachu. Holy fuck! Calm down.
I
Another
like
car
that for
screech.
I
Two,
think I just.
3, 4. Holy fuck!
Oh my god!
What's happening out there? Oh my god. Okay, okay, back to the directions.
Okay.
Oh,